Hey guys, this is Tony. Looks like Amtrak is making his way up here. Yeah, sorry that my video took a while to upload, but so we got the southbound train with the Union Pacific Mixed Free and the northbound Texas car train. Turns out there's a few more trains coming in, so we're gonna check them out soon. Amtrak is moving quick. I heard them honking in the distance. One is really nice. He's moving. Here it comes. Here comes Amtrak Texas Eagle 22 leading 61. Here it comes. That was cool. There goes the there goes that northbound Amtrak Texas Eagle 22 leading 61. More trains are coming in. Talk to you later till they start moving again. Bye-bye.